Hello, Ndewo. If you're just joining us, this is Igbo Class, a platform where we bring you Igbo language and culture. In this video, we'll be looking at Igbo words that begins with J. Igbo words that begins with J. J is pronounced as G in Igbo language. The letter J is pronounced as G in Igbo language. Can you begin? Let's begin. Igbo words that begins with the letter J. Kembo, go. Go. You can also use ga, go. Jere, went. Went. So this is the present tense and this is the past tense. Jere. Je ahia, go to the market. Ejerem ahia, I went to the market. Jere, past. Ju, that is full. Ju, full. This shows that something is full. Miri juru n'ụlọ, that is the house is filled with water. Here we have juru, full and filled. Ju for full, juru, filled. Yam. Ja, to praise. To praise, to thank someone, to praise God, to thank God, to praise someone. Ja Chineke mma, praise God. Ja ya ike. Jide, hold, or you can also call it grab. Jide chukwu, hold on to God. Jide iko ahụ, hold the cup. Jide, to hold or to grab. Another word is jo, that is to refuse or to reject. Jo. Onye gị ihe, jụ ya. Onye gị ihe, jụ ya. Onye gị ihe, jụ ya. If he offers you something, reject it. Refuse. Another way of saying mba is mba, that is jụ, to refuse or reject someone or something. Jụrụ, refused. Ọ jụrụ ihe m nyere ya. She rejected what I gave her. Ọ jụrụ ime ihe m sịrị ya mee. She refused doing what I asked her to do. Jụrụ, jụrụ. Jiri, to use. Use. Jiri ihe m na-akụziri gị ugbu a mee ihe. Jiri, to use. Jiri ya sie nri. Make use of it while cooking. Jisie ike. Keep it up. Jisie ike, keep it up. Jikọta, to join or to connect. Jikọta, you can also say it as jikọ, to join or also to connect. Jikọ, jikọta, jikọ or jikọta. Jikọtara, joined. O jikọtara ihe niile ọnụ. She joined everything together. Jikọọ ihe niile ọnụ. Join everything together. O jikọtara ihe niile ọnụ. She joined everything together. Jikere. 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 Get ready. Jikere. Get ready. Jikere ka anyị gaa ụlọ oriri na nkwari. Get ready, let us go to the hotel. Jikere ka anyị gaa ụlọ akwụkwọ. Get ready, let us go to school. Jikere. That is why you hear people asking, Idi njikere, are you ready? Idi njikere, are you ready? You see, ejikere lam, I am ready. Then jikere, to get prepared. Jikere ka anyị pụọ. Get ready, let us go. Okwu ọzọ anyị nwere, another word is jụọ. Jụọ. Ask. Jụọ. Ask. Jụọ. Ask. Jụgharịa. Ask again. Jụgharịa. Ask again. Jụọ. Ask. Jụgharịa. Ask again. Jidere. 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 That is the past tense of jide. Jide, to hold. Jidere, held. Jidere, held. O jidere onye osi ahụ. O jidere akupe ahụ. She held the fan, the hand fan. O jidere akupe ahụ. She held the hand fan. O jidere akwụkwọ ahụ. She held the book. Jide, to hold. Jidere, held. Jigide. Jigide, to hold firmly, never letting go. Jigide, to hold firmly. That is to grip something, to grab something, to clutch on something. Jigide, hold firmly. Jie. Jie, stop. Jie, to stop. Jie ya, stop him. Jie mmiri, stop the rain. Jie, to stop something from happening. Jie, stop. Jesus. Jesus. That is Jesus. The Igbo word for Jesus is Jesus. Jesus. Jesus, the Son of God. This brings us to the end of our video today. I believe you know one or two other words that begins with the letter J. Write them in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our page. Bye!